David Chytraeus de Ratione Discendi, episode 15. Etsi autem non omnes, qui in studiis versantur ex professo theologi futuri sunt, tamen si homines Christiani nomen recte tueri volunt, aliquid temporis assequendo huic ultimo fini, et cognoscendi vere de Deo doctrinae tribuendum esse intelligent. In the previous portion, Chytraeus has said that the glory of God is the proper end of all studies. Now he says, but, autem, even though not all persons, qui in studiis versantur, not all persons or men who engage in the act of studying, so we have omnes here in the masculine plural and nominative as the subject, and we have the indicative verb versantur, which is deponent from the first conjugation versari, which means to be busy in or to engage in. So not all men, however, that's the etsi autem, who engage or busy themselves in studies, will be futuri sunt, or will become theologians by profession, ex professo. Theology is masculine plural nominative and is the predicate of omnes. Nevertheless, tamen, see, if they want, volunt, if they want to safeguard or protect or to keep, if they want to keep the name or the title, homines Christiani, if they want to keep properly or rightly, tueri recte, the title of a Christian man. So the subject is implicit in volunt, which is third plural, and then we have the infinitive tueri, which is deponent second conjugation from tueor. Then we have recte, which is an adverb, and nomen, which is neuter, singular, and accusative, as the object of tueri. If they want to hold on properly to the title of a Christian man, then aliquid temporis, some time, to the pursuing assequendo of this ultimate goal, huic ultimo fini, and to the understanding properly or truly concerning God, the doctrine, doctrinae, they understand there must be dedicated, tribuendum esse. Now that's not very good English, so we'll take it in English word order instead of the very nice Latin syntax that we have. So they understand, intelligent, aliquid temporis, that sometime tribuendum esse. Aliquid is neuter, singular, and accusative. It is the subject of the oratio obliqua, the indirect statement, of which esse, the infinitive, is the verb, and tribuendum, in the neuter singular accusative, is the predicate of aliquid. Tribuendum is a gerundive from the third conjugation verb, tribuo, tribuere. So if they want to properly take the name of Christian or safeguard the name of a Christian person, then they understand that sometime, aliquid temporis, is partitive genitive, sometime must be dedicated, tribuendum esse, to pursuing this final or ultimate goal, and cognoscendi doctrinae. Cognoscendi and doctrinae are both feminine singular and dative, just like huic ultimo fini is masculine singular dative. Cognoscendi is another gerundive, feminine singular and dative, from the third conjugation verb cognoscere. They understand that some time must be dedicated to this ultimate goal and to understanding properly or truly the doctrine concerning God, de Deo. So cognoscendi modifies doctrinae in the same gender number case, and in good Latin style the finite verb is placed last. You may be wondering why this pot is here. Chytraeus' German name was Kochafa, like so, and so when he wanted to Latinize his name, he took this word chutra, like so, which is the Greek word that means cooking pot. So chochafa, the German for a cooking pot, chutra, the Greek equivalent, and therefore he styled himself Chytraeus, like so, Chytraeus. And this, of course, is similar to the way that Philip Melanchthon is actually named Schwarzert, Black Earth, so he took the Greek name Melanchthon.